Now the folding wing mechanism is very much the same as the full size. It pivots from the bearings there at the top of the spar and is locked from the bearings and pins down below on the bottom of the spar. And this mechanism is operated from the transmitter, obviously, and like the full size, there is a plunger which tells the pilot that the wing mechanism is locked. This mechanism is armed through a micro switch here, so when the wing comes down and operates the switch, the pins lock the wing, and the same in reverse. That's the wing unlocked, and this micro switch here is the one which operates the landing light. So when the wing is locked, that switch is closed and the landing light comes on, again indicating that the wing is locked properly. This item here, the plunger, is only a scale item because that's what the full size use, so it can be seen from the cockpit. Just show you it move again. When the wing comes down, it operates that switch, which produces the locked mechanism, and the plunger's flush with the wing. Okay.